Hello guys, welcome back another video. Guys, if your CarPlay is not working in your you can say iOS 18, so how you can fix this step? So let's get it started.
Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. Tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Scroll down the list until you find CarPlay. If the toggle next to CarPlay is off, gray, tap it to turn it on, green. Exit Settings and try connecting to CarPlay again. If you continue to experience same issues with CarPlay after trying this step, then you need to try these some tips. Number 1. Restart your iPhone and your car's infotainment system. Number 2. Ensure your car's infotainment system is up to date. Number 3. Check that your USB cable is working properly if using wired CarPlay. Number 4. Try forgetting and repairing your car in the iPhone's Bluetooth settings. If you continue to experience issues with CarPlay after trying these steps, contact Apple support or your car manufacturer for further assistance. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily fix iOS 18 CarPlay issue. I hope you understand all the steps. If yes, please hit the like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.